we thought it'd be interesting to show you the old way. In the past, this was an accident down in the valley, and it was a situation where concerning the impact point of a boom while he was operating. He impacted the cover of the hole. It fell, dropped a load down on top of the workers inside, and so what we had to do was try to come up with a method to explain to a jury what happened. Because if you can imagine, I'm good with moving my hands, but that you can only go so far with that. You've got to be able to show and tell, not just tell. We had some pretty compelling evidence, so we knew we had an impact point. And back then, we built models. Completely built the models. We have a complete studio in our facility, in our lab, in one of our labs. We have miniature cameras, about an inch long, that we put inside the cab of the crane, and so that we can watch each of the operations in each of the different points of view. Very time consuming, this took several months, where now we can do it in about 2 days. This was a cableway system collapse. It's approximately 2,500 feet between the two towers. One of the towers, the Nevada South, buckled. When it buckled, it cut half of the guy wires on Nevada North. Then those two fell and brought in Arizona North and South. So it was very complex, spread over 2 states. Each tower had at least 9 different guy wires on it. So you had everything from luffing guys, storm guys, backstays. And so to be able to explain that was going to be very difficult at the time of trial. I was on the stand 3.5 days, almost 30 hours. And so I wanted to have something that I could explain rather than going Arizona North, South luffing guy. I just walk over and I could point to on the model. From that, we took the data and we took the scan data, which that's what this is. Brought in the details from the tower section, from the cableway section. And then we're able to reenact the collapse based on physical data that was out there or that we collected. Nothing was drawn, everything was physically scanned.